In this video, I'm going to tell you how Kajabi has changed my life. Also, Happy New Year. I'm going to take a shot of espresso here. And we'll take dramatic video titles for 500. Alex, rest in peace. Well, today I'm going to talk about how Kajabi has made an impact and a difference in my life, and why, if you are in online business or you are thinking about getting into online business, why I believe Kajabi is not just the best all-in-one online business solution, but it literally could change your quality of life in a few different ways. So with that, let's dive right in. Before we do, I want to offer you a 30-day free trial with using my link. Go to lanesebring.com/Kajabi. You can get on Kajabi for 30 days for free using my link. I'm also going to give you a free course, a 45-minute call with me, and some other kind of fun bonuses. I have the best resources available for Kajabi, how to use it, how to grow on it. And if you're going to get on there, you might as well use my link. So it is an affiliate link, which means that if you use it, I do get a small commission. So thank you. Really appreciate it very much. All right, so let's dive into why Kajabi changed my life. Years ago, I had a desire, a goal to make money online. Not just make money online, but to make a lifestyle of online business. I wanted to free myself from the 9-to-5 that I had. I wanted to free myself from having to have a job. I actually like working. I just don't like to have to work. I actually like to serve people. I just don't want a boss dictating how I serve people. So I wanted freedom in life. I wanted financial freedom. I wanted time freedom. I wanted to be able to decide where I live. I wanted to be able to decide what kind of work I do. But I didn't know how to make all that come together. So I started down the path of trying to figure out, how do I build an online business? How do I build an online platform? So in 2012, this was 10 years ago, I read a book by Michael Hyatt called Platform. The subtitle was like the step-by-step guide for anyone who has something to say or sell. And I just started doing the things that he said to do. I built a little website, I started blogging, I got like a topic to blog about, and I went from there. And I still didn't quite know what to do with this audience that I had built. I built a little audience around a topic that I was interested in. At the time, I was a pastor. I was a pastor for 15 years until just very recently. And so I started a little website called Preaching Donkey. And back then, it was just a resource, a blog. This was back when people read things, words, and I would write about how to communicate as a preacher, how to preach better sermons, how to write better sermons, deliver better sermons, and that's what I did. And eventually I wrote a book. It's right here on the shelf. It was a #1 bestseller in its category on Amazon, which is a very important distinction, because if you don't say that, people are like, wait a second, you're not on the New York Times bestseller list, which I say, I know, I'm not, but I was a #1 bestseller in my category on Amazon. So if you go to Christian Preaching in 2016, in April, I was the #1 bestseller. Yeah. But anyway, the point is, I sold a book. But then I was like, okay, the book makes a few $100 a month. That's great. I wrote another book, and together they made a few $100s a month. And that went on for a couple years, like 2 or 3 years, where I blogged, I had a podcast, I did a little bit here on YouTube, but mostly I just had a book that sold a little bit. And I thought, one of these days, I'm going to have to figure out how to make several $1,000s a month, not just a few hundred, if I ever want this to replace my 9-to-5 and become a thing. Well, in 2019, I found a resource online that helped me put together my online business. It was actually Graham Cochran. I'm going to give him credit. You probably know of him if you're watching Kajabi videos. But I watched his course on how to build an online business, which was hosted on Kajabi. And he talked a lot about Kajabi. And at first, I thought, okay, Kajabi is too expensive. That was my thought. And by this point, I had kind of cobbled together an attempt at building an online business. So I had email marketing that was hosted over at ConvertKit. I had a website on WordPress, self-hosted with Bluehost. I had a podcast, and it was hosted by Buzzsprout. I had started building a course over on Teachable. And if you put all those things together, I was spending a few $100s a month, and I was only making a few $100s a month. I'd make like $400 a month and spend $200 a month just to support the online business. And it was just this mess of all these different things. And I still didn't have a sales process or a sales funnel. I didn't have a payment processor. I didn't have anything that I really could fit together and make work. And I was incredibly frustrated. I would see these people that would get online and report their numbers, and they would be making tens of thousands of dollars a month. And I would just think, what am I doing wrong? I went ahead at the urging of my wife, actually, because I was actually hesitant to get on Kajabi. My thought was, okay, it's too expensive. Maybe I'll do all these other kind of cheaper options, and then one day, once I've grown enough, then I'll move over to Kajabi. And one of the things she told me is, she was like, look, if it's the best, get on there now. You'll probably grow faster because it's simpler, it's more integrated. And my wife's not even an online business person. She's just a very logical person. She's like, if it's the best, then go do it. So I took her advice, and I kind of like took what I thought was a little bit of a risk. And I left ConvertKit, I left WordPress, I left Teachable. I moved all of my entire online business to Kajabi. This was in mid-2019. What Kajabi did for me was it made my business simple. It took something that used to be this incredibly complicated mess of trying to figure out, okay, if I'm gonna make a sales funnel, it's going to be another thing I have to figure out with another platform. Am I gonna use ClickFunnels? Am I gonna use lead pages? Am I gonna try to do it through ConvertKit? Am I gonna try to do it on my own website and go back and forth between my website and ConvertKit and then over to Teachable? And what happens if one of those pieces of software changes and does something different? Is it all gonna still integrate? And at the same time, I'm not making any freaking money. It was very, very frustrating. So I took her advice. I went over to Kajabi, moved my entire business over there, built my first course. And here's what happened. Made $25,000 very quickly on that course. Then I put it into an evergreen funnel, and it continued to sell. Then I built another course, and it continued to sell. Then I started another brand also on Kajabi, this one, and started doing more marketing, affiliate marketing, and selling online coaching, helping people with their online businesses through personal one-on-one coaching and group coaching. Then I started to realize, oh my gosh, I'm not just making a few hundred, I'm making a few thousand. And then that few thousand turned into a lot more than just a few thousand. And now I'm full-time, been full-time. It'll be 3 years this year that I'm full-time online. I have an amazing life. I moved to the beach this year. I am doing the things I want to do. In 2022, I took about 3 months off. I took all of July off, half of August, half of September, and most of December, and then a bunch of weeks here and there. And I made more money than I ever thought I would ever make. And all of it goes back to a simple decision to say, if Kajabi is the best, which I just had to trust at that point. I just had to say, okay, Graham says it's the best. It makes sense on paper. It's a little bit more expensive than I want to spend on any one piece of software, but I'm replacing a lot of other pieces of software to come over here to Kajabi. So I'm going to go ahead and say, if it's the best, I'll do it. And that decision led to a more simplified business that helped me just continue to grow, so that today, the beginning of 2023, I'm going, wow, I have an incredibly awesome, profitable business, doesn't require a ton of my time. I understand the software. I'm not having to piece all these things together. Kajabi continues to grow, continues to get better. My business continues to do even more and more business. And all of it goes back to one decision, which was to take what I'm doing and just go to the place where they do it better than anyone else, which is Kajabi. So I say all that to say this. It's a new year if you're watching this when I'm putting this out. If you're in online business and you're thinking about, okay, am I going to go all in with this? And by all in, I don't mean hustle. What I mean is this the year when you leave your 9 to 5 and start living life on your terms? Have the freedom you want, the time freedom. This is the most valuable thing. It is. People say that time is the one commodity that you can't replace, and they are right. You do not get the time back. So why spend all this time working for someone else, being at the office, doing what you have to do, only to come home and give your leftovers to your family or your leftovers to your personal life when you have the opportunity? If you're one of the very few fortunate people who have this desire to build an online business, then do it on the best platform there is for online business, which is Kajabi. You can use my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. It's awesome. I'm gonna give you 30 days for free. You're also gonna get a one-on-one Zoom call with me, which, let's be honest, what could be better, right? Right? We're gonna be friends by the end of it. Honestly, that is kind of true. I've done hundreds of these, and some of my best friends in online business have come from those meetings. But we'll talk about your business, talk about Kajabi, how you can get the best possible start on that platform, and I've got a free course which will help you get started. It's called the Kajabi Accelerator. It will make sense of everything that the platform does and all that you can do with it. So jump onto there. Also, if you want your life to change for the better, like mine did, I have playlists all over the place. I have a 90-day playlist it's called How to Crush It on Kajabi in 90 Days. It walks you through everything you need to know to get the best possible start on the platform, and that playlist is actually right there, so you can check it out. Can't wait to see you in the playlist. Can't wait to see you on Kajabi. And until then, good luck to you. Can't wait to see you. Can't wait to meet you. Check out this playlist. Jump on to Kajabi. See you next time.